WSOP app. So how to install it? So here's the original app, WSOP Poker, Texas Hold'em game. So yeah, if you love poker, play poker, it's time to show off your Texas Hold'em poker skills. The official World of Series of Poker app. Crash the tables to become a poker legend and enjoy the Texas Hold'em poker thrill in your hand. Start playing 1 million free poker chips when you download. So yeah, here is the app. It's built by this developer, so you know which one is official one, and then you just have this app like that.